have mixed emotions about luxury brands.
Me too.
I mean, I know we checked out Louis Vuitton Cafe in Bangkok for the novelty of it. Pero hindi kasi ako magpapakamatay katulad ng ibang tao na hindi kakain for a bag or yung talagang titipirin yung sarili para sa item.
Oo.
Hindi ko mag-grasp yun. Yung at the expense of your own well-being for a thing.
Yeah.
Na ayaw mo rin gamitin pag nabili mo na.
Kasi
Itatago mo
natatakot
din siya.
siyang masira.
I remember an interview with Herlene Budol. Binigyan daw siya ng bag ni Alex Gonzaga. Her ever first Prada or Chanel, whatever. A branded luxury bag. Alam mo bang pinapa-airconan niya yun sa kapitbahay niya or somewhere?
What?
Dahil natatakot siyang masira. And to me, that's like, wow. It's one thing to take care of your things.
Alam mo yun, parang ikaw rin naging enslaved sa gamit mo.
Ito mga Nepo babies na to, ngayon na they're exposed out there, the audacity to be depressed.
Oo nga eh. These are called
Parang,
consequences of your actions.
Na biglang wag silang idamay my mental health. Diyan ako naiinis pag ginamit mo siyang card
Oo.
Now, the real people suffering from mental health, the real ones who are silently battling depression and anxiety, diba ngayon nawawala yung depth and gravity ng issue Kasi parang, may mental health issues ako.
No, that's not mental health issue dun sa mga Nepo baby. I think it's just their guilt eating them alive, you know, and
They can't contain it. This is probably the first time they've been ever asked to be accountable.
Oo.
Diba? Yun yung biglang meron kang shock reaction sa, nasa na? People are angry. People want to see their money's worth, their taxes. Para ako, inisip ko, ang tangat na ako na nga sa math, nag-aral pa ako ng taxing para lang makapagbayad ako ng taxes kada buwan.
Taxation.
Tanga nga talaga ako Wala nga ako alam dyan Pero nagbabayad ako ng buwis. You see the old clips being dug up on these Nepo babies.
Oh my God.
Na biglang, I want to thank my dad for, being a never-ending ATM machine. Parang, girl, that's insane. That's insane to me na I don't know what the parents were thinking. Like,
Dinaan nila dun Dinaan nila sa easy way. You know, parang, you want respect? Okay, I'll buy everyone's respect. Tsaka yun din naman, parang now, this is also a good wake-up call to all the Filipinos na wag kasi kayong tingala ng tingala just because mayaman.
Aray ko.
Oo nga.
Konting flaunt lang ng naka-Prada, naka-Hermes. Uy naka
ano
yan?
yan?
Or
Actually,
nag-first
alam mo
class
ngayon,
trip to Europe. Uy, naka-business class to Europe. Parang so what? Pero 'di ba, parang ngayon it's really a wake-up call to like really assess the people we look up to and admire because it also reveals something about you. Bakit yan yung mga taong pinupuri mo? What you praise say a lot about you too. You and me and you and you. It says a lot about us. So I think it's time na we stop idolizing these influencers na wala namang ibang ginawa kundi maging professional shopaholics.